Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing for you from none other than ArtBusy. You can always tell because it has a black box. Well, no, because the one time I did get one from them that was in a solid white box, so I guess I can't say that. So I don't know what it is with the post office and ArtBusy, but they definitely put a heart on their boxes. Now this just comes in the bag, you know, that gray bag, and then you know, you just take this out. So all right, now let's see what I got. There's the toolkit. Alright, now with ArtBusy, well, you know what, hold on. Alright, so here is the toolkit. You are going to get a white or a clear single placer. It does have, it looks like a 2 or 3 placer on there. Some pink wax, a pair of metal bent tipped tweezers, and a white tray with a spout. Now, with ArtBusy, I have, if you've been following me, I've been telling y'all with ArtBusy, this company, you can choose what size canvas that you want. Of course, the bigger the canvas, the more expensive they get, but they're really not expensive at all. I mean, because I have seen canvases as low as $11. So, I mean, you know, it's all in how big you want your canvas. Now, they do have the very soft felted fill-in back on here, and it is scalloped. Now, this is the one that I chose. This is a 40 by 40. And I think this is a good size for this image. Just get this flattened out a little bit. Get some of the little wrinkles out of the plastic. The canvas basically lays out flat. It's just the plastic is wrinkly. So, as you can see, it has their logo up at the top, ArtBusy. Over here on the side, it has the canvas number, the size of the canvas, and I chose round. Now with ArtBusy, you can choose round, you can choose square, you can choose if you want a canvas that has fairy dust or ABs in it, you can choose that also. And I think the canvases go up to, it's either 100 by 100 or 120 by 120. But they start off at a 30 by 40. So it does have a legend on both sides, bottom left, top right, with a thumbnail. This has got 37 colors. Now this is just a round kit. There's no specials in here. And we're going to look at some of the drills. I do like that with their canvases, you do get a inventory sheet. It has their logo. It has the thumbnail. Has all the info. They're well, anyway, their legend, it does come with the DMC numbers listed. It has the quantity of the drills and how much the bags weigh. And you can see that it does have numbers, letters, and symbols in there. But I do like this. And if you could take and put this through your Xyron machine, make your stickers, whatever. You could cut this out, put that in your logbook. That's what I do. I just tape it to my logbook. And like I said, I'm not going to pull all of these out because this has not got any specials in it. But you can see how bright and pretty these colors are. And on the bags, it does have their company name. It has this is 550, the DMC number on there. It has, this is number 12. So over here you would look, and it is number 12. And it weighs 1.8 grams. So, and I have not had any issues with drills with this company. And you get plenty of drills. So I like that. But I do, they have got in-house artists that you can search through the artist and see what they have come out with. You can go through like themes. If like you wanted Halloween, you could check on Halloween. It'll pull up all their Halloween, all their Christmas, whatever holiday. There is a miscellaneous section. There's, like I said, there's a whole list of artists. Or if you wanted rounds, squares. I mean, there's so many different ways to search for canvases. But this one is just called Halloween Candy and Wizard Hat. Now, this is a 40 by 40, and this one was only $16.03. So that's not too bad. But I love the colors. And the canvas is very clear. And if I wanted to add some ABs or glitter or whatever to this, I definitely could. I could throw in some purple ABs. I could make the bats ABs. I could throw some glow in the dark in the moon back there. You can do whatever you want to do with these canvases. And just make them your own. And this is a nice mix of color blocking and confetti. It looks like there might be more color blocking than confetti. So this one should go really fast. So, but anyway, this is what I have from ArtBusy. And I want to thank them for allowing me to share their products with y'all. And yeah, and very sticky, very sticky. So yeah, nice company. I really do like them. So go check them out. I will leave the link to this canvas in my description box. I do have a discount code that you can also use that's 10% off your total. So that will also be in the description box. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.